Summers in Carencro are no joke. Hot, humid days can make it challenging to keep your home comfortable without running up high energy bills. While air conditioning works hard to fight the Louisiana heat, your windows play a much bigger role than you might realize. Outdated or inefficient windows allow heat to pour into your home, forcing your cooling system to work overtime. The solution? Energy-saving windows. Let's explore how they help keep Carencro homes cool in the summer while saving you money and improving your comfort. Blocking heat transfer. One of the biggest ways energy-saving windows make a difference is by reducing heat transfer. Double and triple pane glass. Unlike single-pane windows, modern energy-efficient designs use multiple panes separated by insulating gas, such as argon or krypton. These layers slow down the transfer of outdoor heat into your home. Low-E coatings. Low emissivity glass has a special coating that reflects the sun's heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. Together, these features ensure your home stays cooler without losing the brightness and openness that natural light brings. Reducing air leaks and drafts. Older windows often suffer from gaps, cracks, or warped frames. In Carencro's humid climate, this can be even more noticeable as wood swells or contracts with changing conditions. Weather stripping. Energy-saving windows include advanced seals that prevent hot air from slipping inside. Tighter construction. Modern frames are engineered for durability and precise installation, eliminating the air leaks common with older windows. This tighter seal not only improves comfort but also reduces the strain on your air conditioner during peak summer months. Protecting against solar heat gain. Carencro residents know how powerful the Louisiana sun can be. Without proper window protection, UV rays heat up your home quickly and fade furniture, flooring, and fabrics. Tinted or low-E glass reflects a portion of the sun's rays, significantly cutting down on solar heat gain. UV protection helps preserve your interior decor while keeping living spaces cooler. By controlling how much sunlight turns into heat indoors, energy-saving windows help you maintain a pleasant temperature all day long. Improving overall energy efficiency. Energy-saving windows aren't just about comfort, they directly lower your energy bills. Less AC usage. When windows prevent heat from entering, your cooling system doesn't need to run constantly. Consistent indoor climate. You'll notice fewer hot spots near windows, leading to a more evenly cooled home. Long-term savings. Over time, lower energy bills offset the initial investment in replacement windows. In Carencro, where summers are long and intense, this adds up to significant yearly savings. Noise and comfort benefits. Energy-saving windows often include noise reduction benefits thanks to their multi-pane construction and tighter seals. While this may not directly keep you cooler, it contributes to a more relaxing, comfortable environment during the hot summer months. Imagine sitting inside with the AC running efficiently, enjoying peace and quiet without outdoor distractions, a true bonus for any homeowner. Boosting home value and curb appeal. For Carencro homeowners thinking about resale value, energy-saving windows are a strong selling point. Buyers love knowing they'll benefit from lower energy costs and improved comfort. Plus, modern window designs enhance the look of your home, adding to its curb appeal. Final thoughts. Beating the Carencro summer heat isn't just about running your air conditioner around the clock. It's about making smart upgrades that work with your home. Energy-saving windows block heat transfer, reduce drafts, minimize solar heat gain, and cut energy costs, all while making your home more comfortable and attractive. If you've noticed rising energy bills, hot spots near windows, or fading interiors, it may be time to upgrade. With the right energy-efficient windows, your Carencro home will stay cooler, more comfortable, and more cost-effective all summer long.